Let's see how to set your default font in Microsoft Word. So first, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see here, we have our text ready. So right now, we have our default text set as Aptos right here. Now, what we can do to change the default font is click on the Home tab and click on this icon right here, and it should open up this window. So right here, you can set the font style, and the font size for your document. So for example, we would want to set it as table and italic size 12. Let's click set as default, and let's do it for this document only. And as you can see right here, all of our text is now enable size 12 and italicized. And whenever we add new text, it doesn't change, as you can see here. And that is how you set your default font in Microsoft Word. See you soon!